Good morning, students. Today we will study about friction. Okay? So, what is friction? Friction basically is the intrinsic property. Friction is the intrinsic property of the surfaces in contact that opposes the relative motion that opposes the relative motion of object. Okay? If the nature of surface changes, your friction also changes. Now, force of friction. Force of friction. Suppose this is a rough surface. A body of mass 10 is placed at this surface. This is the area of contact between the surfaces of two bodies. The weight of the body, which is the force of gravity, which is mg, vertically downwards. This weight basically is the force exerted by this body at the rough surface. This is your rough surface. This is your rough surface. Now, according to Newton, if this is action, there would be equal and opposite reaction, which is the force exerted by the surface at the body of different kind of action. This force is N, which is known as normal reaction. Magnitude wise, it is equal to the weight of the body. Okay? Suppose you apply a force. This is the force applied. This is the force applied at the body. What will happen? The body has a tendency to move in the direction of applied force. So, the direction of motion of the body is this. This is the direction of motion of the body. Now, due to the nature of surfaces in contact, a force of opposition will act along the surface opposite to the direction of applied force, which is force of friction. Which is force of friction, denoted by small f. So we can say that force of friction is a kind of opposition that offers by the virtue of which the surfaces in contact to oppose the relative motion between body and surface. Force of friction is always opposite to the direction of motion of the body. It acts along the tangent at point of contact. This force of friction is independent of the area of contact between two bodies. Mathematically, force of friction F is directly proportional to the normal reaction at the body. F is equal to mu n. Here A is the weight of the body, which is mg. So F is equal to mu mg. This is the basic formula of force of friction. So guys, you see, friction basically is the intrinsic characteristic property of the surface by the virtue of which it opposes the relative motion between the surfaces. You see, there is a body of mass m which is placed at the rough surface. The weight of the body is vertically downwards, which is mg. This is the action. This is the force exerted by the body at the surface. Now, according to the Newton's third law of motion, this rough surface will also exert a force at the body which is equal in magnitude to weight of the body but opposite in direction. This force is known as normal reaction, which is denoted in the vertically apart direction. You see, action and reaction are of different lines of action, forces. Okay? You apply a force along the positive x direction at the body. So the body will move in the direction of applied force along the positive x direction. Okay. Now, due to the irregularities between the two surfaces in contact, what will happen? A kind of force of opposition will act along the tangent at the point of contact between two bodies. This is known as force of friction. So, force of friction is a kind of opposing force that opposes the relative motion between two surfaces at contact. It is always opposite to the direction of applied force or the direction of motion of the body, and it is independent of the area of contact between two surfaces. It acts tangentially along the surfaces at point of contact between two surfaces. Okay, mathematically, force of friction is directly proportional to N. N is the normal reaction, which is mg. Okay, so F is equal to mu n. Here mu is a proportionality constant. Mu is a proportionality constant known as coefficient of friction. You see, mu is Fyn. Mu is the ratio of same physical quantities. So it must be dimensionless as well as unitless. The value of mu depends on the nature of surfaces at contact. The value of mu lies between 0 to 1. Okay? If your surface is perfectly rough, the value of mu is highest, it would be 1. If your surface is perfectly smooth, then the value of mu would be minimum, which is 0. Okay? So, I am summarizing what is friction. It is a kind of opposing force that arises due to the nature of the surfaces in contact. It always opposite to the direction of applied force. Okay? Next, we will move types of friction, which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.